Rewarded Play PayPal email mismatches usually happen when the email connected to your Rewarded Play account does not match the PayPal account receiving the payment. By the end, you'll know how to check the email details, avoid payout errors, and what to do if your PayPal information was entered incorrectly. First, check the email link to your Rewarded Play account. Open the app and review your account settings to confirm you are using the correct email address. Then check the PayPal account you are trying to use. Log in to PayPal and confirm the email address attached to that account is active and verified. A mismatch can happen when you have multiple email addresses. For example, Rewarded Play may use one email while your PayPal account uses another. If the emails do not match, update the payout information using the correct details available in your Rewarded Play account settings. Before requesting another payout, make sure you are signed into the correct Rewarded Play account. Using a different login can make your balance or payment information appear missing. If you already submitted a payout with the wrong PayPal email, check the payment status inside Rewarded Play first. The next step depends on whether the payment is pending, completed, or failed. If the payout is still pending, avoid creating multiple payout requests because duplicate attempts can make the issue harder to track. If the payment failed because of the email mismatch, correct the PayPal information and contact Rewarded Play support if the option is available. When contacting support, include your Rewarded Play account email, the PayPal email you entered, the date of the payout request, and screenshots showing the issue. Do not share your PayPal password or any sensitive account security information. Support should only need basic account details to review the problem. The main fixes are simple. Confirm your Rewarded Play email, confirm your PayPal email, and make sure both accounts are the ones you actually use. If you still cannot fix the mismatch, the problem may require account-specific help from Rewarded Play support. Check your email details before requesting your next payout, and subscribe for more fixes for reward apps, payment issues, and money-making platforms.